When a prisoner files a commutation application with the Pardon and Parole Board, at some point the board sets up a stage 1 review where they have a brief discussion before voting whether or not to move that forward to stage 2, where they have a more in-depth review of the case. With less than a week away before the Oklahoma Pardon and Parole Board hears the case of death row inmate Julius Jones, members of his legal team releasing new evidence that will add to his application to commute his sentence to time served.
It certainly makes the case stronger.
Julius's attorney, Dale Bache, says in July they received a letter from a prisoner in Arkansas who, after watching ABC's 2020 special on Julius's case, said he recognized Julius's co-defendant, Christopher Jordan. He says Jordan admitted to him in prison he was the one who killed Paul Howell.
And what this shows is that another person has said that Christopher Jordan admitted to killing Mr. Howell, and that Chris set Julius up.
Jordan served 15 years for his role in the murder. Bache says for Julius's stage 1 commutation hearing Monday, there's a brief review by the Pardon and Parole Board of the case before a vote on whether or not to move forward to stage 2. However, it does take a majority vote to move to this stage,
where there is a hearing and a more in-depth look at the case, or decide that the case doesn't warrant further consideration, and then the application is denied.
If a recommendation is given by the board, it would go to the governor, who has final say. But if the board doesn't recommend commutation after stage 2, then the governor has no authority to act. If the application is denied, Julius will receive an execution date. Bache tells me if that happens, there's still a chance they can ask for a rehearing or for clemency. Paris Jones, KOCO 5 News.